CBSE Mathematics Class 11th Chapter 4 Exercise 4.1 Question number 20. You see, a statement or proposition is given that is 10 raised to power 2 n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. हमें एक प्रपोजिशन दिया हुआ स्टेटमेंट दिया हुआ हमें प्रूव करना है कि द गिवन प्रपोजिशन इज डिविजिबल बाय 11. Divisible by 11 means the given statement is a multiple of 11. Say Pn means proposition n is equivalent to the 10 raised to power 2 n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. Now we here in the first part we examine for n is equal to 1. That is P1 is equal to 10 raised to power 2 into 1 minus 1 up plus 1. That will be equal to, इसको सॉल्व कीजिए तो 10 की पावर 1 आ जाएगा प्लस 1, that will be 11. So 11 is divisible by 11, which is true. Now let Pk is also true for n is equal to k. Therefore Pk is equal to 10 raised to power 2k minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11 and is equal to 11p, where p belongs to natural number. Means here you see the divisible by 11 and is equal to 11p and is equal to 11p means there is a multiple. Here it is 11 into 1 is equal to 11. So here the value of p is 1. When it is 11 into 2, that is 22. 11 into 3, that is 33. So there the p will be 3. So the value of p will keep on changing as depend on the multiples. So therefore you see the 2k minus 1. Now the 2n minus 1, the n will be replaced by k. So you see the 10 raised to power 2k minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11, or you can say that 11p. Here I have written 10 raised to power 2k minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 11p. It means that 10 raised to power 2k minus 1 is equal to 11p minus 1. Transpose कर दिया मैंने 11p minus 1. It is our first equation. Now we prove for n is equal to k plus 1. And pk plus 1 means proposition for k plus 1 will be equal to 10 raised to power 2 in bracket k plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 10 raised to power 2k plus 1 plus 1. इसी हियर जस्ट आप इसको खोलेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा आपको पहले 2k plus 2 minus 1. So after solving you will get 2k plus 1. So 10 raised to power 2k plus 1. This one will remain as it is. So 10 raised to power 2k plus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1. What I have done here, I have added 1 as well as subtracted 1. Plus 1. So we get here 2k plus 1 inside the bracket minus 1. You see I have written here the adding and subtracting 1 to the power of 10 we have. So 2k-1 और मैंने क्या किया यहाँ पर देखिए 10 की पावर 2 आ रहा है तो मैंने सेपरेट कर दिया 2k-1 और जो ये +1 है तो 2 हो जाएगा. So the 10 की पावर 2 I have written separately. So 10 raised to power 2k-1 into 10 raised to power 2 plus 1. So from first we have 10 raised to power 2k-1 is equal to 11p-1. You see 10 raised to power 2k-1 is equal to 11p-1 already. So here 10 raised to power 2k-1 can be replaced or is replaced here by 11p-1. 11p-1 and 10 raised to power 2 plus 1. That will be equal to, अभी देखिए 10 raised to power 2 क्या मतलब हो गया 100 का 11 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1100 आ जाएगा -100 plus 1 so 1100p minus 99 100 minus 100 plus 1 that will be equal to minus 99. So we can take 11 as a common factor. So 11 here inside the bracket it will be 100p minus 9. Now we put 100p minus 9 is equal to q. Q is another natural number which represent 100p minus 9. So you see it is a multiple. So this 100p minus 9 is replaced by a separate natural number that is q. So 11q. Now it indicates that the 11q it is a factor of 11 means it can be divided by 11. It's divisible by 11. So pk plus 1 means proposition of k plus 1 is true now. By principle of mathematical induction it is proved that Pn is divisible by 11. Now come to the question number 21. Here you see x raised to power 2n minus y raised to power 2n is divisible by x plus y. The left hand side can be factorized also. Here I have expressed it. You see xn raised to power 2 plus yn whole raised to power 2 by applying a square minus b square. It can be written like this: x raised to power n plus y raised to power n. In the first bracket, in the second it will be x minus a minus y raised to power n. Here we say, just to suppose that there is a proposition Pn which represents the given proposition, that is x raised to power 2n minus y raised to power 2n is divisible by x plus y. Examine for, first of all we just examine it for n is equal to 1. अब 1 की वैल्यू रखिए लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. So it will be equal to 2 into 1 x raised to power 2 into 1 minus y raised to power 2 into 1. This will be equal to x square minus y square, and it will be equal to x plus y into x minus y. In the first part, you see x plus y is one of the factor of x raised to power 2n minus y raised to power 2n, or we can say that x raised to power 2n minus y raised to power 2n is divisible by x plus y. This implies that the Pn proposition for n means n for p, or proposition of n is divisible by x plus y, and it is true क्योंकि हमारा x plus y एक फैक्टर मिल गया था इधर. It means x plus y can divide the given statement. So in the part 2 what we do that you substitute n for k. N is equal to k. Pk is true for n is equal to k. So pk will be equal to x raised to power 2k minus y raised to power 2k is divisible by x plus y. Here you see x raised to power 2x minus y raised to power 2k is equal to x plus y into m. m क्या है? मल्टीपल फैक्टर है, मल्टीप्लाइंग फैक्टर है. मीन्स x plus y will be multiplied by some number. Let's say it is m. So x plus y into m will be equal to left hand side. That is why I have written it x plus y m, where m belongs to natural number. So x raised to power 2k will be equal to x plus y m plus y raised to power 2k. This y raised to power 2k will be transposed to right hand side. You see x raised to power 2k will be equal to x plus y into m plus y raised to power 2k. This y raised to power 2k will be transposed to this side. So it is number 1 equation. Now here we have to, in the part 3, here we have to prove that p for k plus 1 is true. So p for k plus 1 will be equal to x raised to power 2 k plus 1 minus y raised to power 2 k plus 1. Here x raised to power 2 k plus 2 minus y raised to power 2 k plus 2. अब देखिए हमारे को दिया हुआ है x raised to power 2k की वैल्यू निकला हुआ है पहले से पार्ट 2 से. सो हम इसको इस तरह से लिखेंगे x raised to power 2k x raised to power 2 minus y raised to power 2k into y raised to power 2. This x raised to power 2k will be replaced by this x plus y into m plus y raised to power 2k. Here you see x plus y into m plus y raised to power 2k. I have indicated it by dotted line also. Again it is multiplied by x square. क्योंकि यहाँ बताइए ये एक्स स्क्वायर एज इट इज वाई रेस्ट टू पावर 2k plus 2 हियर. नाउ यू सी एक्स प्लस वाई मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. एक्स स्क्वायर जो बाहर है ब्रैकेट के बाहर है उसको मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए. एक्स प्लस वाई इंटू एम इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई रेस्ट टू पावर 2k इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई रेस्ट टू पावर 2k plus 2. Here x plus y from here and you take y raised to power 2k common from these two. So y raised to power 2k will be outside of the bracket. Inside the bracket you will get x square minus y square. This x square minus y square will be factorized by x plus y, x minus y. You see here x plus y into y x square plus y raised to power 2k कॉमन ले लिया है x plus y into x minus y. Here we can take x plus y and x plus y common. Inside the bracket we will get mx square plus y raised to power 2k inside the bracket x minus y. This complete bracket will be supposed to be n as a factor, as a natural number, where n belongs to natural number. So now it is a factor of x plus y and this factor. So this complete factor, second factor, I have taken it as n, where n is equal to mx square plus y raised to power 2k inside the bracket x minus y, and n belongs to natural number. So p for k plus 1 is true by principle of mathematical induction. Hence Pn is divisible by x plus y. It is proved. Now come to the question number 22. 3 raised to power 2n plus 2. minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 8. Again, it is a divisible by 8 means it is a multiple of 8. Only the multiple of 8 will be divided by 8. Say, suppose Pn is equal to 2 raised to power 2n plus 2, 3 raised to power 2n plus 2 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 8. In part 1, what we do, that we just examine it for 1, n is equal to 1. Now substitute the value of 1 in place of n, we will get P1 is equal to 3 raised to power 2 into 1 plus 2 minus 8 into 1 minus 9. There you see, solve किया हमने, we will get here 3 raised to power 4, that is 81. 8 into 1, that is 8 minus 9. So after solving we will get 64, which is divisible by 8. Hence it is true for n is equal to 1. Now in the part 2, pk is true for n is equal to k. So pk will be equal to 3 raised to power 2k plus 2 minus 8k minus 9 is divisible by 8. Now you see, here I have splitted 3 raised to power 2k into 3 raised to power 2 minus 8k minus 9 is equal to 8m. Why 8m I have written here? You see, it is divisible by 8. So we know that it is a factor of 8. So there is some m natural number by which if you multiply we will get the left hand side. So 3 raised to power 2k plus 2, 3 raised to power 2k plus 2 is equal to 8m प्लस 8k माइनस 9. हमने क्या किया, इसको ट्रांसपोज कर दिया. किसकी वैल्यू निकालने के लिए? 3 रेज़ टू पावर 2k प्लस 2. तो ये देखिए माइनस 8k था, इधर गया तो प्लस से हो गया. इधर माइनस 9 था, इधर गया तो प्लस हो गया. तो हमने क्या किया, 3 रेज़ टू पावर 2k प्लस 2 की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए हमने रेस्ट ऑफ द टर्म्स को ट्रांसपोज कर दिया राइट हैंड साइड में. सो 3 रेज़ टू पावर 2k प्लस 2 will be equal to 8m plus 8k plus 9. Now come to the third part. Now we prove that proposition for k plus 1 is true. Proposition for k plus 1 can be expressed like this: 3 raised to power 2k plus 1 bracket closed plus 2 minus 8 into k plus 1 minus 9. Here you see 3 raised to power 2k plus 2, 3 raised to power 2. देखिए यहाँ पर देखिए 2 प्लस 2 है, यहाँ पर 2 को मैंने इधर रखा, 2 को अलग रख दिया है. 2k प्लस 2 को इधर रखा और 3 रेज़ टू पावर 2 अलग कर लिया. माइनस 8k माइनस 8 माइनस 9. अब हमारे को ऊपर से मालूम है, देखिए 3 रेज़ टू पावर 2k प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 8m प्लस 8k प्लस 9. इसकी वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दी है. किसको रिप्लेस किया हमने? 3 रेज़ टू पावर 2k प्लस 2. इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस वी कैन राइट 8m प्लस 8k प्लस 9 इंटू 3 रेज़ टू पावर 2 माइनस 8k माइनस 8 माइनस 9. सॉल्व किया इसको, देखिए 3 रेज़ टू पावर 2 क्या होगा? 9 होगा. 9 8 जा 72. सो 72m. 9 8 जा 72. सो 78 to 72k. 9 9 जा 81. 81 माइनस 8k माइनस 17. अब इसको फर्दर सॉल्व किया हमने. 72m प्लस 64 माइनस 64 एंड हर एक टर्म से हमने 8 कॉमन ले लिया. So inside the bracket we will get 9m plus 8k plus 8. Put this part is equal to n. इसको n मान लीजिए. Put 9m plus 8k plus 8 is equal to n. So you see this will be equal to 8n, which is divisible by 8. Hence, it is concluded that P for k plus 1 is true, which ultimately implies that Pn is divisible by 8 by principle of mathematical induction. हियर मैंने एग्जाम्पल लिया एग्जामिन करने के लिए. देखिए P फॉर 5 निकाल करके देखा इसको, क्या ये डिविजिबल है? यस, इट इज डिविजिबल बाई 8. देखिए लास्ट के 3 डिजिट को चेक कर लीजिए. और k प्लस 1 की जगह पर मैंने लिखा है 5 प्लस 1 मैंने P6. इसको सॉल्व किया और चेक किया, इसको 912 आ रहा है. 912 इज डिविजिबल बाई 8. सो द कंप्लीट नंबर विल बी डिविजिबल बाई 8. 2 एग्जाम्पल लेकर के मैंने खुद जस्टिफाई करने की कोशिश किया, क्या यह करेक्ट है या नहीं. कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. 41 raised to power n minus 14 raised to power n is the multiple of 27. Say proposition Pn indicate the given statement, that is 41 raised to power n minus 14 raised to power n is a multiple of 27. In the part 1, we just take n is equal to 1, where it is a examining process. N is equal to 1, put 1 on the left hand side, we will get the value of 41 raised to power 1 minus 14 raised to power 1, that is 27. So 27 is a multiple of 27. It means that the Pn is true. Now in the part 2, the Pk is true for n is equal to k. So Pk will be equal to 41 raised to power k minus 14 raised to power k is a multiple of 27. Therefore, the 41 raised to power k minus 14 raised to power k is equal to 27p. Here I have taken p, where p is a natural number, means 27 into p. You will get the left hand side. In my previous question I have taken m here. Here I have taken separate letter, that is p. So 41 raised to power k will be equal to 27p plus 14 raised to power k. Now in the part 3, here we prove that proposition for k plus 1 is true. So p for k plus 1 is equal to 41 raised to power k plus 1 minus 14 raised to power k plus 1. It can be written like this also: 14 raised to power k into 41, 41 raised to power k into 41 minus 14 raised to power k into 14. इसी मैंने दोनों को जो पावर प्लस 1 है उसको सेपरेट कर दिया है. देखिए इधर 27p कहाँ से लिया हमने, ये देखिए यहाँ 27p 14k किसके बदले में, 14k के बदले में. सो 14 रेस्ट टू पावर k, 14 रेस्ट टू पावर k, देखिए यहाँ पर 14 रेस्ट टू पावर k है, उसके जगह पर हमने क्या लिखा है 27p प्लस 14 रेस्ट टू पावर k ब्रैकेट क्लोज इंटू 41. देखिए 41 एज इट इज. सेकेंड टर्म है जो माइनस 14 रेस्ट टू पावर k इंटू 14, ये लिख दिया मैंने यहाँ पर. अब इसको ओपन कर दिया ब्रैकेट को. सो 41 का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 41 का मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए 27p इंटू 41 प्लस 14 रेस्ट टू पावर k माइनस 41 रेस्ट टू पावर 14 रेस्ट टू पावर k इंटू 14. So in the first term you see 27p into 41 plus 41k कॉमन लीजिए सेकेंड और थर्ड टर्म से, 14 रेस्ट टू पावर k को कॉमन लीजिए. सो यू विल गेट 41 माइनस 14. अब इसको देखिए नेक्स्ट स्टेप में 27p इंटू 41 प्लस 14 रेस्ट टू पावर k इंटू 27. सो 27 यहाँ से 27 यहाँ से आप कॉमन ले लीजिए. यू विल गेट 41p प्लस 14 रेस्ट टू पावर k and it will be equal to 27q. Why it is I have mentioned q? Q has been replaced by this the statement mentioned in bracket. Means 27 will be multiplied by q, you will get the left hand side. Here the q belongs to natural number and q is equal to 41p plus 14 raised to power k. Therefore, proposition for k plus 1 is true by principle of mathematical induction, and Pn is a multiple of 27. Now come to the question number 24. This is the last question of this exercise. 2n plus 7 is less than n plus 3 whole raised to power 2. Say Pn is equal to 2n plus 7 raised to power, less than n plus 3 raised to power 2. In the part 1, we examine by substituting n is equal to 1. Let us put n is equal to 1. Here 2 into 1 plus 7, that is 9. Here 1 plus 3 whole raised to power 2, that is 16. So 9 is less than 16. So it is true. It is true. Now we assume that Pk is true for n is equal to k. So now we replace n by k. So 2k plus 7 is less than k plus 3 whole raised to power 2. So 2k plus 7 is less than k square plus 6k plus 9. इसको हमने a प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर से खोल दिया है. अब देखिए दोनों तरफ हमने 2 ऐड किया. 2k plus 7 plus 2. Why I have done? Because these information is required further. So 2k plus 7 plus 2 is less than k square plus 6k plus 9 plus 2. So 2k plus 9 is less than k square plus 6k plus 11. This is our first equation now. Now proceed further in the part 3. Now we examine for P for k plus 1 is true. So you see here P for means proposition for k plus 1, that is 2k plus 1 bracket में bracket close plus 7 less than k plus 1 plus 3 whole square. इसको सॉल्व किया, k प्लस 4 का होल स्क्वायर लिख दिया मैंने. इसको सॉल्व किया मैंने, लिख दिया 2k प्लस 9. अब देखिए 2k प्लस 9 इज लेस देन k स्क्वायर प्लस 8k प्लस 16. इसको खोलेंगे तो यही मिलेगा हमारे को. और फर्स्ट नाउ कंपेयरिंग फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड वी गेट 2k प्लस 9 is less than k square plus 6k plus 11, and this is less than k square plus 8k plus 16. वेरिफिकेशन किया कि ये सेकेंड और थर्ड टर्म्स करेक्ट है कि नहीं. देखिए इधर k स्क्वायर प्लस 6k प्लस 11 इज लेस देन k स्क्वायर प्लस 8k प्लस 16. That will be equal to ultimately 0 is less than 2k plus 5. Yes, it is true. It means the given statement has been fulfilled. Hence 2k plus 9 is less than k plus 4 whole square is true. Therefore, proposition for k plus 1 is true. Hence we can say that by principle of mathematical induction Pn is true for the given relation.